How to live to 120 and be healthy the whole way. Longevity series, part 4, Senolytics. Hello, I am Christian Drapeau, stem cell scientist and herbalist. To understand Senolytics, we first need to understand senescence. So the life cycle of a cell is that a stem cell leaves the bone marrow, migrate into a tissue and integrate the stem cell layer of that tissue. Now that pool of stem cells will be responsible for the maintenance and the repair of that tissue over time. So as these stem cells start to multiply and become cells of these tissues, then they will multiply in theory up to about 50 generations. But as they divide, each time telomeres are shortening. At the end, when there's no longer any telomere left in a cell, that cell has reached the state of senescence. It is a senescent cell. At that time, as an old cell, it has accumulated a lot of garbage in the cell, misfolded protein, organelles that are no longer functioning. All of this is garbage, and oftentimes that garbage reduces the ability of the cells to function optimally. And at times, it starts to secrete a lot of, for lack of a better term, toxins for cells around them. So it starts to dysregulate the cells around them, and now there's a lot of diseases that have actually been associated with what is called the senescence burden, which is the number of senescent cells that you have throughout your body. Things like Parkinson, lateral sclerosis, and this emerging science now is linking senescent cells to a lot of different problems. So we want to be able to kill those senescent cells, make them just kick the bucket and have them replaced by a new cell. That is a stem cell that comes now and rejuvenate that tissue. So the compounds that will kill these senescent cells are senolytics. It was discovered by using chemotherapy drugs, but then the field has evolved and now we have plant extract that have been documented to help kill these senescent cells. One of the most known senolytic at this point is Fisetin. So it is a compound that is extracted from strawberries. A lot of people say strawberries is the only source of that plant. There's not a product, a compound on planet Earth that is found in only one plant. So actually most of the Fisetin right now in the marketplace come from a tree, a little bush called the smoke bush, Cotinus Codigria. There's also Piperlongumine, which is a compound that you find in long pepper, and there's a series of those. So as you take these compounds, it will kill senescent cells, which can be a burden for the body. So you don't want to do this for too long. So you do this for 2 to 4 days and then allow your immune system, your lymphatic system to eliminate all these dead cells, cleanse everything, and you kind of rotate like this. You do this a few days every month, and by eliminating all this senescence burden, you give a chance for your body to reach 120 in perfect health.